Hola! I am Kisime C. Saure, and I am currently a second-year student pursuing Bachelor of Science in Accountancy. Over the course of my OJT experience, I have collaborated with BS IT students for their film project and BS NREP students for their financial management. The objective of this video is to reflect on my journey through the Client Assistance Program or CAP, share the knowledge, skills, and attitudes I have gained, and highlight how these have been applied in my OJT work and personal life. I will also provide insights into the program's effectiveness and its impact on my professional and personal growth. So ano, tara? For the knowledge, I learned about effective project management, teamwork, and communication strategies. From working with BSIT students for their film, I've learned about media production, technical workflows, and the importance of storytelling. While collaborating with BS NREP students, enhanced my understanding of financial management principles such as budgeting and cost analysis. For the skills, I developed teamwork, time management, and communication skills. Also, technical skills like public material editing for Facebook posting, and enhance my proficiency in tools like financial software, for example, spreadsheets and Excel. Also, soft skills such as problem solving and conflict resolution. And lastly, for the attitude, I developed patience, a growth mindset, professionalism, adaptability, and the ability to collaborate effectively with people from different fields. During my OJT with BSIT, I applied my editing skills to produce high-quality Facebook engagement for entertainment and ensured that deadlines were met while maintaining creative input. In BS NREP, I utilized financial management knowledge to create accurate reports, contributing to financial management and business decisions. Personally, it improves my time management to balance academic, professional, and personal commitments effectively. Helping clients was fulfilling and rewarding. It felt good to see my contributions lead to improvements in their projects. Building relationships with clients and seeing their satisfaction reinforced the importance of applying my skills meaningfully. The skills and attitudes developed during CAP have been retained through continuous practice. I use the communication skills I developed to build stronger personal relationships. The technical and collaborative skills are now integral to my academic and professional projects. The CAP was effective as it was highly effective in bridging theoretical learning with practical applications, and purposeful as it provided exposure to real-world challenges, preparing me for future professional roles. However, it was also challenging, especially when balancing client expectations and limited time frame. These challenges ultimately strengthened my ability to work under pressure. The program exceeded my expectations as it offered hands-on experience and enhanced both my technical and soft skills that prepared me for future professional roles. The diversity of tasks broadened my knowledge and skills. First, collaboration with people from different programs enriches the learning process. Second, adaptability, teamwork, and communication are as important as technical skills. Third, real-world applications of skills enhance both technical and interpersonal development. And lastly, challenges are opportunities for growth, and feedback is essential for improvement. Overall, CAP was a transformative experience that bridged the gap between academic learning and professional practice. It enriched my technical expertise and enhanced my interpersonal skills, and prepared me for real-world challenges. It has been instrumental in shaping my professional identity and equipping me for future ventures. Thank you for watching and have a great day.